Here's a simple way to make a cucumber salad even better. Just one ingredient makes the flavor so much deeper. There's no need to salt the cucumbers, and you don't need to cook anything. In just 5 minutes, you will have a delicious cucumber side dish. Today I'm using 1 cucumber and half an onion. I'm using a Korean cucumber today, but a regular cucumber works just as well. First, trim off both ends of the cucumber, as they can sometimes taste bitter. Slice the cucumber a little thicker so it stays crisp. Cut the onion into small pieces. Then place the cucumber and onion in a large mixing bowl. Since we are not salting the cucumbers first, they will keep their fresh, crisp texture. Now let's make the seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half tablespoon of minced garlic. Now for the ingredient that makes all the difference, doenjang, Korean soybean paste. You only need half tablespoon. It's not enough to make the salad taste like doenjang. Instead, it adds a rich, savory depth of flavor. Next, add a half tablespoon of honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. If you like, add 1 tablespoon of almond powder as well. This is optional. It adds a nice nutty flavor and helps the seasoning coat the cucumbers even better. Mix everything until the cucumbers are evenly coated. This salad is best enjoyed right away. Since the cucumbers aren't salted beforehand, they will naturally release some water as they sit. Let's give it a try. Wow! The cucumbers are wonderfully crisp. The doenjang adds so much depth of flavor. Just a half a tablespoon makes a big difference. This cucumber salad is a refreshing side dish that's perfect for summer. It only takes 5 minutes to make, so I hope you will give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.